Hey y'all, it's Nanny with Hoot, Nanny Homestead. Whew, it's been a long time coming. Winter has been long, y'all. See, I went to Rogers, Arkansas to stay with my mother-in-law for the winter. And I just now got back to the cabin. I'm so excited. Now, I might not be quite so excited when I take a walk around the place because it's been sitting here all winter. Now, we did turn the water off. We thought smart. We did all those precautions that you need to take. But I ain't went in the house yet. I don't know what's going to be in there. I don't know what's happened over the winter. May not be nothing. But before I even get out of the truck and go in, I need to get a couple of my babies out of the back of the truck. Y'all haven't met them yet, so hang on. That wasn't how that was supposed to happen. You were supposed to wait. This is, turn around, y'all, Ellie Mae. Turn around here. Sit. 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 Say howdy. This is Dash, our Great Pyrenees. Wait. I think they're happy to be home. Lord knows I am. Very. Let me make sure I got the keys. Let me show you what my husband did. See this key? He made me this key for the cabin because he said, this is the key to your happy place. Isn't he sweet? Okay. A few limbs on the porch. Not too bad. I don't hear any water spewing, so that's a good thing. Hopefully the key still fits. Somebody else hasn't moved in. Seriously. All right. Cabin, sweet cabin. I don't see anything necessarily that looks out of place or broken. I don't see no signs of mice. Of course, when the house is cold, they don't really care to come in the house. Now, we did have some fruit jars here with some goodies in them under the cabinet here. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I'm hoping that none of those froze and busted or froze and caused them to come unsealed. But that is something that I'm going to need to check. Oh, let me check the bedroom. It's really cold in here. Can you hear the floor cracking? Yep. Clothes are still in the closet. Oh, looky there. It's a mouse peel. 2 of them. So my bed covers got to get taken off and sanitized. Go out here and turn the water on. See what happens. So I literally had to crawl under the porch here. And turn it on. Well, which way does it go? Now I'm going to listen really close. Okay, I think the sink in the kitchen, I left the sink turned on, in case there was any, we left the faucets open in case there was any residual in the pipes. So I just need to turn the water off. That might help, hadn't it? All right, that made a mess. That one's left closed, but let's see if it works. The coal's not working. Now, here's what happens usually at this place. You see these pipes here going into the sink, and then there's some over there going into the tub. That is our lines, water lines, and they go up into the attic through there, up in that way. Now, I'm going to try to show you this. Keep in mind that those pipes are going up here. On this side of the wall, they run this direction over to the corner, and then you see those red and blue pipes going down to the sink. It meets in right here and then goes across this way to the main entrance. Now that I've blocked the light, you can probably see the pipes better. But right here, down through here, is where the main pipe that leads water from inside the house over here to the washroom. So a lot of times there'll be residual in the low hanging areas of those pipes. And what I have to do is build a fire. Usually, as soon as I build a fire, everything's okay. And the water starts flowing through here into here. So that's what I'm going to do. Build a fire. I thought my video camera was on the whole time I had started this, but it wasn't. So I'll do a recap. How about that? Normally, when I leave the cabin to go anywhere, for a length of time, and I know I'm going to come back and it's going to be cold when I get here, and I'm going to want a fire really quick like, I usually clean the stove out, get all the ashes out, build a fire, with my paper and my kindling and my wood and everything, and I get it started. I do everything but light the paper. That way, when I come back, already ready to go, and all I got to do is stick a match to it, and we're good. But I didn't do that this time. And my fingers are really cold right now. Starting all over. I got the ashes out. I'm throwing some paper in there. Now, let me explain why I'm sitting on this lazy man stool. It's not because I'm lazy. I have a damaged C7 disc in the back of my neck. And when I stand up and bend over to do something, I cock my head up like this, and it pinches that nerve. So a lot of times when I work at something that's low, I'll pull up a stool so that I can sit on the stool and keep my neck straight and look straight ahead. Because weeding the garden building the fire. Now I can walk over here and I can chunk the fire and walk away, and you know, it took me a whole 30 seconds to 45 seconds. That didn't hurt me. What I just demonstrated for you for that couple of seconds didn't hurt me. But if I were to stand here bent over with my head cocked back long enough to do all that I'm doing right now, I would end up with a headache in about 30 minutes from now. And I don't want a headache 30 minutes from now. So I'll just sit down here on this little stool and look straight on at what I'm doing. Take my time and get her done. Put my grate back in. There we go. Put me some pine in there. This little stove and me, we have been together 3 different houses, and we have been there for each other. She has kept me warm for a many a night. All right. Make sure my holes are open. Drawing some moisture. She's not acting too spry. There she goes. There you go. Oh yeah, that's it. It's always one-sided. This side will burn or that side will burn, but for some reason they never seem to want to light together at the same time. And I don't know why. Shutting her down. She should be good to go. Look at that beautiful glow. Y'all can see that, can't you? Ooh! Oh, I can already warm my hands on it. That is beautiful, people. That is beautiful.
Is it good? You weren't very gentlemanly like. Make Ellie wait while you get your drink first. That just wasn't right, was it, girl? No. You say hi to everybody? He stopped and you thought it was your turn, didn't you? Oh, she's just licking her lips, Dash. You better hurry up so she can get a drink.
What'd you find? She's so short, isn't she? For a Great Pyrenees, she's got little short legs. Ellie, you eating acorns? Is that what you're doing? You finding some good acorns that you missed since you wasn't here through the winter? All right. Nanny's back at the cabin. Bye, y'all.